What is the real meaning of eating beans in dreams? Today we are going to know all the possible meanings of these types of dreams. So there are some common types of eating beans dreams that people see during sleep. Number 1. If you see eating beans in a dream, then this dream is considered good and indicates good luck, prosperity and success in any work, project or planning very easily. As well as this dream also suggests that any of your big wishes are going to be fulfilled soon without any hindrance. Now number 2, if you see cooking and eating any kind of beans dish or curry in a dream, then this dream is also considered good and indicates that you are going to get the fruits of your past hard work and dedication soon, which you have been waiting for a long time, or any of your wishes are going to be fulfilled soon. Now number 3, if you see eating boiled beans in a dream, then this dream is also considered good and indicates that you are going to achieve something big in life, or you are going to get the fruits of your past hard work and dedication soon. That will make you more successful and satisfied person in the coming future. Now number 4, if someone gives you beans to eat in a dream, then this dream is considered good and indicates that you are going to get big success in life due to the help and support of divine in life, or you are going to get new opportunities for success in life that will change you and your life completely in positive ways. Now number 5, if you see eating baked, roasted or fried beans in a dream, then it also a sign of good luck and prosperity and indicates that you are going to achieve something big in life that will change your life in positive ways. Now number 6, if you see eating rotten or spoiled beans in a dream, then this dream gives a kind of warning that you have chosen the wrong path in life, or you have made any kind of wrong decision in life that demands your attention and needs some corrections as soon as possible to avoid any kind of loss and disappointment in life. But sometimes this dream also suggests difficulties to completing any work in life, so to avoid these problems you should adopt a positive attitude towards life, as well as you should cross-check your plans before execution in real life.